Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nilesh and you are watching Techie Programmer. Today we are going to discuss the installation of Python on your system. So let's get started. Now just navigate to a browser and search for python.org and hover over downloads and then click on Python 3.8 and it will just hit on allow and the download starts. Double tap the downloaded exe file, then just hit on install like you normally install softwares. And if you are installing it for the first time, don't forget to add or check mark the option called add to path. I have already installed it, so I will just cancel it. Now just go to your app section and search for IDLE and you will get a pop-up like this screen. And now here we are going to check if our Python program has been successfully installed. So let's type a simple command. Let's print hello world. It works perfectly fine, so hooray, we have done with the installation of Python on our machine. So in the next video we are going to continue this. You can just check out my Instagram page called Techie Programmer, and you can, if you are intermediate programmer, then you can just go there and get some beautiful codes and try it yourself. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section and I will try to help you.